Hi guys, welcome to my page, The Good World. Please make sure to share this video. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into what I've brought before you guys. I want to share with you how you can add music to your editing. Yeah, I love using Capcut app for my editing. It's much simpler and easy and also understandable. So let's log into Capcut. In case you don't have, go to Play Store, download and install. Click on new project. So yeah, it will take you to your gallery. From here, you now choose the video you want to edit. I'll be choosing this. Add. Click on add. It will take you to a place where to edit. So this is it. The last time we did about cover, but today I'm sharing with you how you can add the music to your video. So you click on this add audio. Are you guys seeing this place? They wrote add audio. You click on it with plus sign. You've seen the option it brought out: sound, effects, extracted, record, and all that. So, but guys, in case we didn't do it this way, let me go back. I'll still show you what I want to show you. You see this place they wrote edit, audio, text. From there you can still select audio, all the same. Don't worry guys, with time I will still discuss about other stuff. Today is how to add music to your video. I'm about to show you guys today. So let's click on this audio, and here it is, sounds. Let's click on sound so that we're able to select from our phone. I know that guys. So this is it. You see what pops out. You have to select or to choose from anywhere you want. So I'll be clicking here this shape of gallery stuff. If you, after clicking on it, see what it brings out: extracted or from device. So depending on where the sound, the music you want to select is from, whether maybe it's a music you extracted from somewhere else, maybe any, could be from anywhere, or maybe you have it already on your device. You now choose. So I'll be going from device. I'll choose from device. Next click. But if it's from extracted your video is, go there and select whichever music you want to select to add to your. So now these are from my device. I clicked on from device. So here is what it brought out. Burna Boy, from here you can now select the music you want to choose. If you know, let me just choose this 70 years old man. By clicking on it like this, it will only give you, like, for you to listen to what you're about to select, to be sure that this is what you really want to pick. So after listening to it, let me just choose this. It's just for the training. Then I click on this cross sign. And also know that in case you don't really want to choose any music from your device, those places, let me go back, those places there, those places here, vlog, pop, beat, travel, R&B, love, you can select any sound, any video sound from these ones. So let's go back again from device. Let's choose from 70 years old man by clicking the plus sign. So guys, this is it. Let's play it now. You'll be hearing it in the background sound. So this is it. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for promoting your girl. Thank you, and also stay tuned for the next video that will be coming. I love it all. Make sure to follow your girl. Follow, share if you like this video. Share, and make your girl go viral. I love it all. Bye.